Center.
Looks like a scene right out of Star Trek or something out there with the dome and then putting it back up on the pedestal.
Put it back up. So yeah, I got it done. It takes about 2 weeks, and they did it just under that, and it's all been calibrated, ready to go, and gearing up for, of course, potential for some strong storms we headed to the weekend. Right now, though, pretty quiet. Some cloud cover building up from downtown our BJCC camera. We're at 59 degrees. A little breezy out there. The dew point numbers going up a little bit higher too at 50 degrees. But over in Tuscaloosa now, we are looking at, of course, the game just ending there, as we saw from Ariel. But showers are about to move into Tuscaloosa. So if she's still listening, hey, get ready for some rain. 61 degrees down there in Tuscaloosa with some light southerly winds at this point. You can see a live look at the radar. There's showers there from Carrollton, Moundville, Demopolis, heading to Tuscaloosa and Brent area, and gradually coming up the interstate here into Birmingham. And we'll see more showers kind of popping up as we go through the evening. A few of them up near the Gadsden area toward Fort Payne as well. But we'll kind of focus in on right now Tuscaloosa, about to get that little downpour coming in. So for those out and about this evening, just keep that in mind. It does stretch its way back toward Aliceville, Carrollton area, back toward Utah. A little bit of some rain heading to the Brent area, Marion, Greensboro. All of this light rain, I'm expecting it only to remain as light rain throughout the evening here. No severe weather or anything for tonight. This is a little upper level wave that's moving through and kind of timing it out. Coaling area around 10:19 for you. Brookwood around 10:24. Harrisburg area around 10:25. The Mercedes-Benz plant area around 10:27. Over toward the Kellerman area around 10:30 tonight is when that little batch of rain will come in too. And eventually heading to Birmingham as we get to 11, 12 o'clock or so this evening. As you can see, some of those showers kind of popping back up here and will continue to do so. As one, we have this little disturbance coming across Alabama and Mississippi. Then you have our new storms developing here along the front. Some have been severe already. That's what will move through tomorrow night around this time as that front continues to march its way across the southeast. So tomorrow we'll start off the morning there about 58 degrees. We'll see some scattered showers increasing to be scattered about 60% chance tomorrow. So not all of you will deal with the rain through the afternoon, but the chance of rain goes up to 100% overnight, 60% on Sunday before we dry out heading into the first part of next week. Severe risk again, all of the state really in a level 1 to about level 2 in the far northwestern corner. Basically, we could all see a chance for some storms producing gusty winds and heavy rain, but there's a chance for maybe a tornado or two over the northwestern part of the state. Really low chance overall for the rest of us to see a tornado. I think because it's going to be a late event. 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. for those areas to the northwest. 9 p.m. to 1 a.m. from, say, Tuscaloosa, Birmingham to Gadsden, and the rest of the area midnight to about 4 a.m. is now likely the new time frame when these storms will move through. So you'll see tonight, again, through 3 o'clock in the morning, some scattering showers out there. They'll continue tomorrow at 7 a.m. They'll kind of move on, but then we'll see a few more developing by 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Again, scattered about, so not all of you dealing with the rain, but here comes that main line by 10 o'clock, and some of these could get strong to borderline severe, so we'll have to watch out for that. So this is a little sooner now. This is 10 p.m. on Saturday, working its way toward Anderson, Talladega around midnight to 2 a.m., and then down toward Alex City around 3 a.m. Once that line passes through, the rest of this is going to be rain for Sunday morning, and that eventually clears out of the areas by Sunday afternoon, and the weather starts to drastically improve with the potential for maybe an inch of rain, which will really help out with those drought conditions. 70 tomorrow our high, though, 54 in the morning, falling down to 30 by Monday morning. 50 on Monday, staying sunny but cool, beautiful weather next week with highs in the 50s and lows in the 30s. Well, stay with us. We'll have more coming up on CBS.